Doppelmayr Garaventa, the future of urban mobility. The Doppelmayr Garaventa urban concept presents a groundbreaking vision for the future of city transportation. This innovative system seamlessly links cable-based gondolas, autonomous ground vehicles, and rail networks, enabling passengers to move from aerial ropeways to city streets, and even trains, without ever leaving their cabin. At its core is a universal coupling mechanism that allows each gondola to transition effortlessly between different modes of transport. The result is an eco-friendly, congestion-free solution designed to reshape urban mobility. Though still in the conceptual stage, early experimental installations have already proven its potential, offering a glimpse into how tomorrow's cities could transport people efficiently, sustainably, and seamlessly. Holotile Floor. Walking into the future Disney's Holotile Floor, created by visionary Imagineer Lanny Smoot, is a groundbreaking invention that lets users walk freely in any direction without ever leaving their spot. Built with a modular system of advanced actuators, this omnidirectional floor subtly shifts beneath people and objects, delivering a seamless, natural walking experience. Designed for virtual reality, stage performances, theme park attractions, and shared interactive spaces, the Holotile allows multiple users to move safely and fluidly, all while enhancing immersion and storytelling. By blending cutting-edge engineering with intuitive design, the Holotile Floor transforms how we explore digital worlds, perform on stage, and play together, turning every step into a magical, fully immersive adventure. phasa 35, a new era of high-altitude flight. The phasa 35, developed by BAE Systems and Prismatic Ltd., is a groundbreaking solar-electric high-altitude pseudo-satellite, HAPS, designed to push the boundaries of unmanned flight. With a 35-meter wingspan and a weight of just 150 kilograms, this lightweight system operates at stratospheric altitudes of around 65,000 feet, serving as a persistent platform for communications, surveillance, and disaster relief. Powered by solar energy by day and rechargeable batteries by night, the PHASA-35 can potentially remain airborne for up to a year, offering unmatched endurance. Its successful first flight in June 2023, where it climbed beyond 66,000 feet, proved both its resilience and its revolutionary potential. This marks a major leap in long-endurance unmanned technology, giving us a glimpse into the future of sustainable, high-altitude aerial systems. Verdie Robot, the future of outdoor maintenance. The Verdie Robot, developed by Electric Sheep Robotics, is an autonomous machine built to take on outdoor tasks such as edging, trimming, and leaf blowing. Powered by the company's proprietary ES-1AI agent, Verdie can understand and navigate outdoor environments without relying on pre-programmed paths, allowing it to work safely and efficiently alongside human crews. Inspired by beloved movie robots like WALL-E and R2-D2, Verdie combines practical functionality with a friendly, approachable design. Electric Sheep is already deploying Verdie across various sites, showcasing its potential to revolutionize outdoor maintenance with sustainable, autonomous solutions. Michelin Wisamo, sailing toward a greener future. The Michelin Wisamo is revolutionizing maritime travel with its cutting-edge inflatable wing sail, a smart innovation designed to reduce fuel consumption and cut carbon emissions for both cargo ships and leisure vessels. Fully automated and deployable within minutes, this high-tech sail harnesses the natural power of the wind to give ships a clean, cost-free boost, working alongside traditional engines for maximum efficiency. Featuring a telescopic mast and a soft, air-filled structure, the Wisamo system is lightweight, safe, and easy to install on both new ships and existing fleets, with potential fuel savings of up to 20%. It offers a powerful solution to lower operating costs while supporting sustainability. By blending centuries-old sailing principles with modern engineering, Michelin is charting a bold course toward cleaner, more eco-friendly oceans. Black Panther Robot. Speed and agility redefined. The Black Panther Robot is a groundbreaking quadruped that pushes the limits of speed and mobility in robotics. Drawing inspiration from the raw power of Black Panthers and the spring-loaded movements of jerboas, this 38-kilogram, 0.63-meter-tall machine can sprint 100 meters in under 10 seconds, placing it among the fastest robotic runners in existence. Engineered with carbon fiber shins, spring-loaded knees, and cheetah-inspired running pads, it combines superior grip, shock absorption, and fluid, lifelike motion. Powered by AI-driven gait optimization, the robot moves with precision and adaptability, making it ideal for industrial operations, disaster response, and extreme agility challenges. The Black Panther 2.0 isn't just another robot. It's a bold step toward the future of high-performance biomimetic machines. Nautilus Aircraft. Redefining the future of flight. The Nautilus Aircraft is set to transform aviation with its revolutionary blended wing body design, offering greater aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and cabin space compared to traditional aircraft. Its first model, the Kona, is an autonomous cargo plane capable of carrying nearly 4 tons of goods over 900 nautical miles, cutting shipping costs and accelerating deliveries. But Nautilus has even bigger ambitions. The upcoming Horizon passenger jet is engineered to carry up to 200 passengers across 3,500 nautical miles, while using 30% less fuel and delivering 40% more cabin space than conventional airliners. With billions in pre-orders and successful test flights already completed, Nautilus is paving the way for a smarter, greener, and more efficient future in aviation.